Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use buyer-seller messaging on Amazon. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, buyer-seller messaging is a vital tool on Amazon, allowing you to communicate directly with your customers to resolve issues, answer questions, or provide additional information. Here's how to use it effectively. First, access buyer-seller messaging by going to the Orders tab in Seller Central and selecting Manage Orders. From there, find the order in question and click on the buyer's name to open the messaging interface. This is where you can send your message directly to the customer. When composing your message, keep it professional and concise. Whether you're responding to a query or addressing an issue, always aim to provide clear and helpful information. Avoid using promotional language, as Amazon has strict guidelines on what can be communicated through this channel. It's also important to respond promptly. Amazon expects sellers to reply to customer messages within 24 hours. Timely responses help maintain your seller performance metrics and ensure customer satisfaction. Remember, buyer-seller messaging is not just about resolving issues. It's also a way to build trust with your customers. By providing excellent customer service through clear and respectful communication, you can enhance your reputation and increase customer loyalty on Amazon. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.